Hey there, smoothie lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy smoothies. We've got 5 delicious recipes that are packed with nutrients and key benefits to help you feel your best. Let's get started. First up, the Green Detox Smoothie. This powerhouse drink is perfect for cleansing your system. Combine spinach, kale, banana, apple, lemon juice, ginger, and water. Blend until smooth. Key benefits: spinach and kale are loaded with vitamins A, C, and K. Ginger aids digestion and lemon detoxifies. Next, the Berry Blast Smoothie. A delicious way to boost your antioxidants. Blend mixed berries, Greek yogurt, honey, almond milk, and chia seeds. Berries fight free radicals. Greek yogurt adds protein, and chia seeds provide omega-3 SS. Third, the Tropical Sunshine Smoothie. It's like a vacation in a glass. Blend mango, pineapple, coconut water, lime juice, and turmeric. Mango and pineapple are rich in vitamins C and A. Coconut water hydrates, and turmeric is anti-inflammatory. Now, the Peanut Butter Banana Smoothie, perfect for a protein-packed breakfast. Blend banana, peanut butter, almond milk, flax seeds, and honey. Bananas provide potassium, peanut butter adds protein, and flax seeds are high in fiber. Last but not least, the Avocado Matcha Smoothie, a creamy blend with a caffeine kick. Blend avocado, matcha powder, almond milk, spinach, and honey. Avocado provides healthy fats, matcha gives a gentle caffeine boost, and spinach adds nutrients. There you have it, 5 healthy smoothies each with amazing benefits. Try them out and let us know your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more healthy tips and recipes. Cheers to your health!